With the weather. Good afternoon. I'm Keenan Smith here with 7 First Alert meteorologist Marisa W is in. And we saw some snow this morning and the roads were getting kind of messy out there too.
Yes, thankfully we are looking at fairly light snow, but it is just enough to create some slippery conditions out there too. The snow is going to be winding down this afternoon, which is some good news, but it's about to get bitterly cold.
All right, well, let's take a look outside.
Look at radar at this moment. Light snow showers for the most part, but just enough, again, to create some slippery spots. So if you're heading out this afternoon, be prepared for some patchy, slick conditions. Right now, it does look like our steadiest snow, still though on the lighter side, moving through Monroe County, northern Lenawee County, and southern Washtenaw County, though there are still some lighter snow showers farther to the north where we did have a better band develop earlier this morning. Now we're starting to see the snow showers slow to the north, and we'll continue to see that trend as we move through the afternoon. It is a chilly day. I mean, our temperatures at this moment are near about 15 degrees. Wind chills are close to the single digits, and our temperatures are only going to drop as we move into tonight. We do have a winter weather advisory through 2 p.m. Just again, a reminder that we are looking at potentially reduced visibility and slippery driving conditions. I'll look ahead at your forecast coming up. Metro Detroit, as well as some snow showers rolling on through. But I'm going to start off with the winds because the winds are being a big factor in what we are seeing. Now, through most of the nighttime hours and most of the morning, our winds have been out of the west, and that has brought in some lake effect snow showers. But if you take a look and you can see some of those lines, especially as you get back towards northern Livingston County into Genesee County and Lapeer County, our winds are starting to come in from the northwest. So that's going to start to end the lake effect snow bands making their way across the state, which means for us, the snow showers will start to end. But winds out of the northwest are also going to pull in some cold temperatures. We are going to be even colder as we move into tonight than where we fell to early this morning. Let's take a look at our current temperatures. Right now, we're at about 15 degrees across the region, anywhere from about 15 up to 18 degrees. The numbers to the right, those are our wind chills. So wind chills right now, unfortunately, in pockets are in the single digits. So it is cold outside. If you can avoid being outside, please do so. But if you do have to go out there, make sure that you do bundle up. We are still looking at some snow showers across the entire region, actually, too. We do have a little weak disturbance swinging on through, but then also, again, some lake enhancement. Our snow showers today have been mainly from Lake Michigan, so across the entire state. But as our winds change, we are going to start to dry out. I do expect drier conditions tonight and into tomorrow, but it is going to be cold in addition to the drier weather. So again, snow showers ending this evening. By the time we even get to 5 o'clock, we may get a glimpse, a peek of the sunset before, again, the sun makes its way below the horizon. Overnight tonight, we'll keep it partly cloudy, so unfortunately, we've got some good breaks in the clouds that would allow our temperatures to drop even farther. That's why one of the reasons why it's going to be a colder night tonight. Tomorrow, though, we'll have a mixture of clouds with some sun breaks, so it might be one of those days that looks nice. It's just not going to feel nice as you step out the door. We continue throughout the day. Again, dry weather expected throughout your Wednesday, but it is going to be a chilly one. Through the rest of the day today, definitely going to be chilly with our temperatures mainly holding into the teens and dropping even more. But again, breaking clouds as you get into this evening. As we take a look at temperatures tonight, will all be into the low teens or close to 10 degrees. Wind chills, though, will be around about 0 as you wake up tomorrow morning. You can see, though, for your extended forecast, we keep the cold weather on Wednesday. We're back up to freezing on Thursday, and we even climb a bit Friday into Saturday into the mid-30s before eventually colder air does. Today, our snow showers are winding down. Tomorrow, we're looking at drier weather across the region. Then we fast forward into Thursday. We've got a clipper system quickly moving in. That'll bring us another chance for snow, likely up to 2 inches of snow. We're back to dry weather on Friday, and then Saturday's system will be interesting because it'll likely bring us a mixture of some snow, sleet, and some rain across the area. I'll have a closer look at your forecast coming up in just a bit. Though maybe you'll have to use it. It's very light amount of snow. Maybe just a broom, though, at least to sweep off some of the surfaces that have picked up some snow today. But overall, we are still looking at snow showers kind of spinning across the region, but they are going to start to end from north to south as we get through this afternoon. Right now in the city of Detroit, we are still looking at some light snow showers, and it's cold. 19 degrees at this moment. It feels like 11, though, even though our winds really aren't that strong. It doesn't take much to make it feel colder than it actually is when our air temperatures are just downright cold. And we are looking at temperatures across the region, mainly in the teens at this hour, but it's going to continue to feel colder when you factor in the winds, which will still be just about 5 to up to 15 miles per hour. So as we progress through the rest of the day today, even into tonight, our temperatures will be dropping into the low teens, and then it's going to feel, though, like about 0 or so as you get through this evening, and even as you get to tomorrow morning, some pockets will still feel on the colder side. So we've got some cold air in place. We also are looking at some more snow chances coming our way. The good news is tomorrow, even though it is going to be cold, we aren't going to be looking at snow. We have a break in the weather for tomorrow, but Thursday, good chance to see some snow returning across the region with the storm system. As of right now, it looks like up to 2 inches of snow, but most of us will pick up about a ½ inch to an inch of snow, which could create some slippery conditions. Saturday is going to be interesting, though, because we'll likely have a mixture of rain, sleet, and snow just because our temperatures are going to be into the mid-30s, and we do have more snow on the way for next week. But I want to focus on Saturday, too, because, of course, we've got the Lions, right? They're taking on the Commanders. If you are tailgating, oh, my gosh, it is going to be cold. Be prepared for that. But most of the showers should be wrapped up by the time we get through most of tailgating. And then as you're heading in, temperatures are going to be chilly into the 20s and eventually ending near about 20 degrees. Quick look at your 7-day forecast. Chilly conditions expected. Much colder air coming in early next week. We'll be right back. Are going to be ending from north to south this afternoon. And I do expect some sunshine before we do get to sunset, which is after about 5 o'clock today. And as we get into tomorrow, we are going to be looking at dry conditions, but a chilly start. Temperatures will be in the low teens to start, and then wind chills will be near 0. We climb into the low 20s in the afternoon. Another chilly start Thursday morning, but we do warm up. We have a chance for snow on Thursday.